Creating time-lapse videos just got ridiculously easy. You can now create up to 1 full minute of restoration time-lapse video without a production team, without expensive software. Seriously, watch this. This entire scene was created with AI. Hard to believe, I know, but I'm about to show you exactly how to do it yourself. From image generation to animation to consistent characters across scenes. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create your own full restoration videos from scratch and even monetize it if you want. Now, let's jump in. But real quick, take 2 seconds to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more content like this. Trust me, you'll want to stay ahead of what's coming next. For this, first go to ChatGPT, click More, Apps, click GPTs. Here in the search bar, type Restoration Time-Lapse. Click the first option that comes, click Start Chat.
Give 10 different ideas on restoration.
It will start generating 10 ideas for you. Go through them and pick any idea that you like. Just type that number and hit enter. Here, I like the first idea, so I'll hit 1. And it will generate 4 image prompts and 4 video prompts on that very same idea. Now, first we need to generate the images. For this, I'll use Whisk. Open website, hit Enter Tools, paste the image 1 prompt. Choose the aspect ratio and hit enter. Whisk will start generating your image. Once the image is generated, download it. Keep in mind, to keep our image consistent, we need to put the image that we download in the subject section. You can simply drag and drop that image in the subject section. Repeat the same process until you get all 4 images ready. I'll fast forward here. Now, for video generation, I'll use Google Flow. Click New Project, select Start Image. Here I'll put the image 1 that I created using Whisk. Once the image is uploaded, go to ChatGPT and copy the video 1 prompt and paste it in the flow. In the video option, choose Video, Frames, 16:9. You'll use 3 options: VO 3.1 Light, VO 3.1 Fast, VO 3.1 Quality. VO 3.1 Light takes 10 credits. VO 3.1 Fast takes 20 credits. VO 3.1 Quality takes 100 credits. I'll choose VO 3.1 Light, as it also gives best result, so no need to use extra credits. Once everything is done, hit enter. Flow will start generating your video. Just play it and see the quality yourself. Download it.
You can download GIF also. I'll download it in 720p. Next, I'll upload the second image, copy the video 2 prompt, and paste it. Flow will start generation second video. You can repeat the same process until you get all 4 videos. I'll fast forward here. Once all the videos are ready, open CapCut and import all your images. If you want, you can add the background music, but I'll recommend not using background music. Once all the clips are adjusted, just export it and upload it on any platform you like. Hope you liked the video. If you have any questions, just comment below.